Hi friends, I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to react a video of Oriah Festival celebrated every year by Wancho tribes of Arunachal Pradesh in Northeast India. Before that, let me tell you something about Wancho tribes. Wancho tribes is the indigenous people inhabiting in Patkai hills in Longding District of Arunachal Pradesh. They are ethnically related to Nokte tribe of Arunachal Pradesh and also Konyak tribe of Nagaland. The prime festival of Wancho tribe is Oriah Festival. They celebrate this festival to give thanks to their local deity after the big harvest, and also they celebrate this festival to pray to their local deity so that he will give better harvest in the next season. During the festival, we can see the Wancho people performing in different types of activities like prayer, songs, dance, demonstration, and they celebrate this festival very colorfully. So now I'm going to react a video of Oriah Festival celebrated by Wancho tribes. So now let us check it out. Wow, I like the traditional attire. It's a bamboo dance performed by the young lady. So this activity is performed during Oriah Festival in Itanagar. Wow. Lovely traditional attire. You can see here young lady are performing bamboo dance, and you can see some of the young boys, they are doing demonstration, war demonstration. I think that girls wearing that feather is maybe taken from the hornbill bird. Nice, really nice. That aged person is also dancing. then Nimposu Wancho. Okay friends, I really enjoyed the video. So this was the Oriah Festival celebrated by Wancho tribes of Arunachal Pradesh. So friends, I have a dream to visit Arunachal Pradesh to explore this beautiful Oriah Festival of Wancho tribes. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified of my new videos to the channel. Thank you.